Hi everyone, Sylvia here, and this is my Adsly review. So, I have found a super cool tool on JVZoo, and I thought I must share it with you guys because it's something else. So, Adsly is like a professional tool for, I would say, digital marketers, digital marketing agencies, but also for freelancers, because it comes with, commercial license, so you can use it for your clients as well. You can create a profile on Fiverr.com and sell your services that you would, provide to your clients using Adsly. Or Adsly, maybe Adsly is the way to pronounce it. And you could charge them whatever you want. So what is Adsly? It is going to create paid ads. Okay, it's going to create ads for, when you run paid ads on various platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more. Okay, then you need to create those ads, right? So this software will create those ads for you. And not only that, it will actually show you it because it comes with the, like a detailed tutorial on how to create those ads. It gives you templates, ad copies, and much, much more. We'll check out everything properly, guys. But yeah, it's going to provide ads for, I think, like 9 social media platforms, something like that. So it's quite impressive. So we'll check everything out. I have let's jump in. I have the sales page for you guys. I have the full demo that is 25 minutes long. And I will not be playing it here because I will actually log into the members area. I have the full access to the members area, and this is that one here. So I'll show you how to go about it. But if you guys need the full demo, and I do encourage everyone, before buying this product, do watch the full demo. Just make sure you like it, make sure it's something for you, okay? So I'll attach the link to that demo, the full demo, below my video. And then finally we have the whole bunch of bonuses. Seriously, the vendors have gone bonkers, and they have given me so many bonuses to give just for free to my buyers. So anyhow, you can just buy it via my bonus page. Just click on this Get Instant Access to Adsly, and then it's gonna take you to the sales page where you click Get Instant Access, and that's how you go about purchasing this product. Anyhow, so what shall we do first? Maybe check out the sales page, right? So what do they say? World's #1 all-in-one social media and Google Ads creation suite, plus all the resources you need to run profitable ads online. So guys, this is obviously is a professional tool. It's for those people who run Google Ads. But I would say it's quite techy, right? But it is pretty beginner friendly as well, because it comes with all the training, and there's so many features, like the templates are there for you, the ad copies are there for you. So many things that are required of you to start running paid ads, and they teach you how to do that. So if you just bright and if you're into this sort of stuff, right, then go ahead and give it a try. I think it's very user-friendly, the software, from the look of it, but we'll be checking out the software, what's inside it in a second. So anyhow, these are the platforms where you can, on which you can run your paid ads using the software, using Adsly. So it says 50-in-1 ads creation suite, covering all ads placements of, you should know about placements if you run, how to place your ads, but it will be explained in the training as well, that how to place those ads on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Google Ads, like probably the most popular ones, yeah? Okay, so no guesswork, no monthly fee, works perfectly for advanced marketers and beginners. So I would say, like, yeah, you need to be a professional, but if you're a bright, smart person, then, you know, just go ahead and do that. Use that software. Anyhow, so via my bonus page, you'll get to the sales page, guys. Check out everything properly. Here you have all of the features. As you can see, you know, it does a bunch of stuff for you, but, you know, I won't be boring you and just reading through it. You can check it out yourselves. What I would like to show you is what you can actually, you know, find inside this software. Now, guys, I want to draw your attention to this. If you do decide to buy it, add this code. You know, the launch is gonna run for, let me check, what's today? Today is Tuesday, so till either Thursday or Friday, and then after the launch the price will be going up. But we will be checking out the prices in a second, the whole funnel. I'll show you the whole funnel with all of the upsells. But for now, if you just want to pick up the front end, so hurry up if you want to, you know, get the launch price, which is $47, I believe. So with this AdSleep 4, you will get $4 discount. So why not grab it? Alright, so obviously 30 days money back guarantee, all of that good stuff. Here's the beautiful templates they'll give you, but I'll show you everything in the members area. So let's go ahead and check out the members area. Here's the full demo. Watch that demo as well, guys. It will be below my video. So, right, so that's what we have inside the members area. As you can see, you have the support here, you have the tutorial, and now it shows you here, the dashboard is with all of the upsells. Now, if you buy just the front end, you're just gonna have the first one, the AdSleep commercial, and you will have bonuses. But here, you know, the dashboard is as if I have purchased all of the upsells. But anyhow, if you just buy the front end and you want to upgrade, you just go to this Hey review, something like that, right? And then you go to settings, and then if you go from settings to, where was it, my purchases, you see, here it shows as if I have purchased all of them. But obviously if you just buy the front end, you will have the front end purchase, and then it will give you the option buy. So OTO1, OTO2, OTO3. And I'll show you the whole funnel, what you're gonna have under every single of the, you know, upsells. So let's go ahead and to the AdSleep commercial. So that's what you will find in the front end, guys. So let's go first. A bunch of features, seriously, so much stuff. Anyhow, I'm quite excited. Let's go and check out the projects first, because this is the main feature. You would be, you know, creating new campaigns with some new, ads, right? So, okay, so you will have all of the projects here. Obviously, this is just the JVZoo access, so it's empty now. But once you've created your project, then hold on. Yeah, then you will have it here on the dashboard, right? But let's go here and create template, and you will see what amazing features. It's all customizable, editable. I mean, you create it from scratch, but you can use also one of those templates, and then it's editable. Did I say edible? No, you can't eat it. Editable, customizable, so you can, you know, change those templates as well. But here we are creating a brand new one, right? So enter project name, just my name, I'll put Sylvia, and then we go next. Okay, and then you pick the, you know, social media platform for which you need the ad created. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, nine social media platforms. So let's pick Facebook. And then you go next. Okay, select ad type. Okay, so you know, you see you have so many options here. So let's say Facebook, Facebook stories, or marketplace ads. Okay, and create. So you just pick whatever you need. And then it is loading, and hopefully it won't take too long. And then we'll come to the where we actually create this ad. Alright, so we are in the Canva, and this is what you can do, guys. So check this out. You can you click on the, let's say, heading, and then you can insert text. You can there's many graphics. You will find here images, background. You can resize, you can filter, a bunch of stuff you can do. So obviously, guys, there's no point of me doing all of that now, because you have the full demo. Watch the full demo, and they'll show you everything that is possible here. What you can do here is share it. Obviously, you can save it or you can download it. Alright, so this is where you create the template, the ad, and we're back on the dashboard. And then we have all of the templates here, amazing templates, I think 2,000 templates you can use. It's up. I'll show you all of the templates. Just enter the platform, either Facebook or whatever platform, and it's going to find a suitable template for you. But check it out. All of these beautiful templates, and they're fully editable, customizable, as I already said. Alright, the training is here provided as well, and then we have the proven ad copies as well, which is great because they have been proven to sell, and you can simply make use of them. So check this out. Okay, for freelancers, it is like a PDF, 46. Okay, so this is all for your ads, depending on what kind of lead generation, what kind of ads you would be creating. Coach, consultant, wow, for entertainment, trainer, in so many niches. It's insane. I'm really impressed with this software. And then we have best 100 plus ad screenshots. So let's check this one out. So just check this out. So you see you have Facebook. If you don't know how to go, creating ads from scratch, it will be seriously all explained to you. So 200 Facebook ad examples. So it's ad examples, and also they've been very successful with these ones. And then we go back and you have ads checklist. Wow. And then gig template. This is what I really love, because in this one they actually show you how to go about creating a business, a profile on Fiverr.com, and here under this you will have all you need to actually create this profile, how to set everything up, and how to start just offering services that you would create using Adsly. Wow, that's just fantastic. And then you have ebooks as well, and then what's also out of this world, you have those, this feature here, so it's targeted audience for 50 different niches. So you will have this document here ready to use. Alright, what else do we have here? And then, okay, so this is the Adsly commercial, is the front end, guys. And then you have a bunch of bonuses as well, which come just on top of the front end. Yeah, but anyhow, let's check out the funnel, the whole funnel, what you will find. Actually, 1 second, so it's just loaded up. So here's the bonuses you will find on top of just the front end. So it's general bonuses. As you can see, many of them. You're very welcome to just pause and check it out. And then Adsly commercial bonuses as well, so you can actually use it for your clients as lead magnets. Wow, it's seriously, it's so much you can do with the software. And here's the funnel, guys. So the prices are, the Etsy commercial goes at $47, the front end, and with this one you get $4 off, like during the launch. Okay, and then we have the OTO number 1, and like, please, you know, pause the video and you can read all of the information here, guys. And then we have OTO number 1. Here you can obviously get this like the whole bundle, so it's like the front end with all of the upsells, so for $247. And then OTO number 1 is Etsy Platinum for $67. Here's all of the features that come with this upsell. And then we have OTO number 2, it's Etsy Professional for $67. And then OTO number 4 is Etsy License for $97. So, you know, reseller rights, you get across the whole funnel. Yeah, okay, I could read it all through, guys, but what's the point? You can just pause the video and read it yourselves, right? So, I mean, any questions you have, just hit me up. Hit me up. I mean, like, ask away, you know, throw your questions below my video. I'll get back to you once I see your questions. And this is the bonus page you will find below my video, and you can go about, this is how you go about buying it if you wish to buy it from me, obviously. So you just click on this Get Instant Access to Etsy. On this bonus page you can also find like loads of info and a bunch of bonuses the vendors have like generously have given to me to share with my buyers. So they're all free, you know, they're all free, obviously free of charge, and you know, for my buyers. So let me show them to you now. So this is special bonus number 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's like it's insane. It's just mind-blowing how many bonuses they have given to me to give to my buyers. Guys, check them out, because I will not be just, you know, losing my breath and reading all of that out to you. Just go to my bonus page and see what you can get, you know. And this is it. We've come to the end of my bonus page almost. Yes, we have. Alright, so get instant access to Etsy. You click on this one if you wish to purchase. And then you will be redirected to the sales page where you essentially make the purchase. Well, what did you think of that software? Quite something, huh? It's seriously gonna be like so helpful for digital marketers. Guys, if you run paid ads, you need something to help you create those ads. And you know, with so many mind-blowing templates, you can really go like creative and yeah, use it for your clients. If you want to like, if you have some like local, if you help some local businesses, you can create a profile on Fiverr.com. There's so much potential in this software. It's a quality one. It's really, on JVZoo they always launch amazing products. So I'm always very happy to promote them, because I know they're like good, and the support is normally, you know, pretty like on point as well, so they stay on top of the support. I mean, I would really appreciate if you could just share with me the feedback as well about the product, about the vendors, whether the, you know, support is there, and you know, how you like the product in general. That would be cool. Alright, stay cool and stay blessed, and I shall see you in my next review. Just don't forget to give me some likes, subscribe to my channel if you have found this content helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, have a beautiful day.